Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tape remover is probably one of the most underrated tools in your cleaning arsenal. From tackling sticky residue on various surfaces to effortlessly removing stubborn stickers, the right adhesive tape remover can make your life so much easier. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of tape removers, exploring their different types, how to use them effectively, and which ones are worth your money. Number 5. Goo Gone Adhesive Remover, 8 ounce. This product is a surface-safe adhesive remover. It can safely remove stickers, labels, decals, residue, tape, chewing gum, grease, and tar. It's formulated with citrus cleaning agents and has a pleasant citrus scent. The surface-safe formula will remove the goo without harming your surface. It's designed to be gentle yet effective, leaving your items clean and undamaged. This is the trusted #1 brand for removing gooey messes. You can use it on a variety of items, such as stickers, wax, markers, crayons, glue, tar, window decals, glitter, gum, and labels. It has multiple uses around the house. You can use it to remove wine glass labels, erase scuffs, clean window sills, and remove crayon drawings, glue, and tar. It's great for teachers and parents to remove gum, tape, crayon, and sticker residue left behind by kids. It makes cleaning up after kids much easier. It's perfect for collectors and thrifters. You can safely remove price stickers from gifts, wine glasses, clothing, drinking glasses, and used video games. It helps preserve the value of your items. What we like. This product is known for its surface-safe formula, ensuring your items are protected. It's also incredibly versatile, working on various surfaces and messes. If you're a collector or thrifter dealing with price stickers or residue, this is the perfect solution. It will safely restore your items. What people say. Great product for removing adhesive. Works fabulous and doesn't damage the finishes. It will remove most stuck-on things, especially if you let it sit on whatever you're removing. Always have this on hand, works on almost any kind of adhesive residue. Just a drop or two on your finger will work, especially if you've scraped or soaked off the paper part of a label. Number 4. Goo Gone Original Liquid, 8 ounce Adhesive Remover. Introducing Goo Gone, the #1 trusted brand for removing gooey messes. This powerful adhesive remover makes it easy to get rid of stickers, labels, and all sorts of sticky residue. It's the perfect solution for your toughest messes. Goo Gone's surface-safe formula is designed to protect your surfaces while effectively removing the goo. It's formulated with citrus cleaning agents and has a pleasant citrus scent. You can trust it to restore your surfaces without causing damage. This versatile product is perfect for a variety of uses around the house. From removing wine glass labels to cleaning up crayon marks, it handles it all. It's a must-have for any household. If you're a teacher or a parent, you know how quickly messes can happen. This product is great for removing gum, tape, crayon, and sticker residue left behind by kids. It makes cleanup a breeze. Collectors and thrifters will love this product. It's perfect for safely removing price stickers from gifts, vintage collectibles, and more. It helps to preserve the value of your items. Get your 8 ounce bottle of Goo Gone today and say goodbye to sticky messes. It's the easy and effective way to remove adhesive residue and restore your surfaces. Try it now. What we like. This product is a trusted brand for removing sticky messes, offering a surface-safe formula. It's great for various household uses, from removing labels to cleaning up crayon marks. If you're a teacher or parent dealing with kids' messes, this is the perfect product. It will make your cleaning tasks much easier. What people say. It works great for removing tape residue. This product is a must-have for anyone who frequently deals with sticky residue. It effectively removes adhesive without damaging surfaces. Number 3. Wonder Wheel Adhesive Remover Kit. Tired of stubborn stickers? This kit makes removing decals, adhesives, and pinstripes a breeze. It's a fast and efficient solution, saving you time and effort. Worried about damaging your car's finish? This remover is paint-safe and leaves no residue. You can remove vinyl decals without any worries. This kit comes with a universal drill adapter for easy use. It fits most standard drills, so you don't need any special tools or skills to get started. Made from durable rubber, this wheel is built for long-term use. It can handle both large and small removal tasks without melting or falling apart. This remover works on multiple surfaces, including cars, trucks, and boats. It's also great for removing adhesives and tape from various materials around your home. What we like. This product offers fast and efficient removal, saving you time and effort. It's also paint-safe, protecting your vehicle's finish. If you're looking to remove decals or stickers from your car, this is the ideal tool. It will make the process quick and easy. What people say. The adhesive was removed in minutes. No paint burn, no damage. It does get smaller pretty fast, but it worked great. Impressed with the fact it didn't harm the gloss of the clear coat. This is an amazing product. It truly is a miracle. Wish I knew about it years ago. Can't say how many times I struggled to remove adhesive from a car and ended up scratching the paint. What would have taken me hours to do in the past using the above-mentioned methods, I was able to get the work done in 5 minutes. And the results were amazing. No double-sided tape adhesive remaining and not a scratch. Attach the wheel to your drill, put it on high speed, and apply medium to light pressure to the adhesive you want to remove. You will witness the adhesive being removed with ease. Number 2. Goo Gone Spray Gel 2-Pack and Sticker Lifter. Introducing the Goo Gone Spray Gel, the ultimate solution for removing sticky messes. This product is designed to tackle the toughest adhesives, making your cleaning tasks easier than ever. This product is your go-to for removing chewing gum, grease, tar, stickers, and more. It effectively eliminates a wide range of stains, leaving surfaces clean and residue-free. The surface-safe formula ensures that it removes the goo without damaging your surfaces. You can confidently use it on various materials without worrying about losing the finish or stripping away paint. The clinging gel spray formula is easy to use and specifically designed to stay on vertical surfaces. This allows the product to break down the adhesive effectively, making the removal process simple. The drip-free formula clings to stains and sticky messes while protecting the surface below. This thicker formula ensures that it stays where you spray it, providing maximum cleaning power. Formulated with natural citrus cleaning agents, it offers a pleasant citrus scent while effectively removing stains. It harnesses the power of nature to provide a superior cleaning experience. What we like. This product features a clinging gel spray formula, perfect for vertical surfaces. The drip-free design ensures a mess-free application. If you have a sticky mess on a vertical surface, this is the product for you. It will cling to the mess and make removal a breeze. What people say. It handled everything I threw at it, tape residue on windows, crayon marks on my fridge, and even old lipstick stains on my shoes. The gel doesn't drip, so I can use it on vertical surfaces without a mess. I used up all of it because it's amazing at taking off sticky built-up grease, and the stove top was super easy to clean from former residents' neglect of cleaning up after themselves. After getting all that sticky grease off, I simply wiped down with glass cleaner and there was no residue left at all, just nice and clean. Stickers and sticker residue comes off easily as well. The spray bottle works great. Number 1. Medline Acetone-Free Adhesive Remover Pads. Introducing the Medline Adhesive Remover Pads, a reliable choice for healthcare professionals. These pads are designed to effectively clean and prepare the skin. This product features an acetone-free formula, providing a gentle yet effective alternative. It ensures user comfort during adhesive removal. The 2-ply design offers increased durability and effectiveness. It can effectively remove adhesive residue from bandages and other medical applications. This product offers an effective and convenient solution for adhesive removal. It's a standout choice for healthcare accessories and hospital essentials. Each box contains 100 pads, ensuring a long-lasting supply. This makes it a cost-effective and practical choice for both personal and professional use. What we like. This product offers an acetone-free formula, making it gentle on the skin. The 2-ply design ensures effective residue removal. If you need to remove adhesive from sensitive skin or medical applications, this is the perfect choice. It will provide a comfortable and effective cleaning experience. What people say. The product worked as advertised, i.e., it removed adhesive bandages from hair-covered arms and legs with minimal effort and no pain. They are convenient to carry and work quickly and thoroughly. These adhesive remover pads definitely worked. Truly a lifesaver because I urgently needed to take off my wound dressing since it was completely wet and it needed to be removed right away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.